turn 750 square feet of cowhide into a high-class party place, complete with mood lighting and a mini fridge. After a surprisingly restrained paint job and some tender polishing, all it needs is neon to make it the next big thing in Hollywood. Still to come, how do they use some of the tallest trees in the world to make fine paper? Join us after the break to find out how. Every year in America alone, we print, copy, and scribble our way through almost 9 million tons of paper. And for the most important documents, we need high quality paper. But to make
There's less smoke in the west here.
So, how do they do it?